Hello everyone, this is me Sudeshna. It's the 23rd of April 2024. I am standing at the far end of my backyard, hoping and waiting for a good view of the pink supermoon that's supposed to be there tonight. When the moon is finally visible, it's starting to get breezy, almost windy, and as you can see, the branches are constantly moving. It's making it almost impossible for me to get a good focus on the moon. And by the way, have you noticed that the moon doesn't look pink? It doesn't look pink to me at all. It does have a pink hint, a hue around it. But the actual moon itself, it's kind of orange. Don't you agree? If somebody knows why is it called the pink supermoon, please let me know that. Thank you so much. Bye bye.